Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm AH for Truth here, and what do I want to talk about today? I want to talk about faith and patience in this season of crypto. XRP from the end of June went from about $2.01. I remember seeing that $2.01 the last week of June. It went up to about maybe 213, 214, which is, quite a good move. And then all the way, boom, did about a 71, 72% jump in a matter of 2 weeks. It was at $3.63, 64 something cents, like that. Now, for a lot of people who have been thinking, like XRP, it's down again and things like that. Not just XRP, but there are some other cryptos that are down. But XRP is a lot of people are hedging their bets on that. I want to tell you that, you see, faith got you here. You had faith in a product, in a digital asset, and faith will keep you here. But more than anything, patience will trump faith keeping you here. Your faith should produce patience, so that as you are being tried in this time, you are able to wait. Look, keep researching XRP. Have you researched it? Those who have researched it are not that worried. Those who have found, in my opinion, what is the truth about this particular crypto asset. Now, I'm not telling you what to buy. I'm not telling you what to invest in. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a cryptographer. I'm an enthusiast, and I'm passionate about crypto, and I'm sharing with you my experiences, and hopefully you can make some decisions based on what you find out. Because you see, when you find out, this guy, Digital Outlook, David, he's always talking about people doing their own research, because when you are convinced by yourself, nobody can shake you off. The devil can't shake you off. The scripture says, we should imitate those who through faith and patience obtain the promises. So some of you have dreamt, some of you have had inner confirmation, some of you have had some prophets speak about it. But even without that, like I always say, prophecy is not enough. You have to do your own research. You have to develop skill in understanding these things. If you are new to crypto, like you're looking around and you happen on this channel, it's not an accident. Right there in the description, I have a book that I put together that I wrote for you. It's titled Crypto Made Easy. There's also a second book titled Cryptocurrencies, The Future of Finance, Banking, and Value Transfer is here. Download both. It'll be a blessing to you. It'll give you the necessary foundation if you're just shopping around and wondering, how do I learn about this new space? If you need advice, I don't give financial advice, but if you need to know how to go about things, where to buy, how to store, and all of that, you need coaching, go into my description, sign up for one of my coaching classes, the calendar, go on the calendar link, pick up time that is convenient for you, and let's do this. Coaching is $250. It takes you between 1 hour to 90 minutes. And then if you wanted a 30 minutes just to question and answer, you've been in crypto, you're not too sure about, how things are going, get a 30-minute call with me also. It's all in the description. All right, let's continue what I was saying. So you need faith, you need patience. Faith got you here. Patience will keep you here and will take you across the mark. It's like an endurance race. And for those who have been in different cycles, like the past several bull cycles and bear cycles of Bitcoin, led by Bitcoin, this is a different time. I believe it's so different because all of the different key players, key factors, stakeholders that were not there before are now there. Government is heavy in it now, legislating and regulating. Banks are in it now. Institutions, financial institutions, hedge fund managers, everybody is now talking crypto, to the point that we finished crypto week just the week that went by for the first time in history. So we're going to see a super cycle, in my own opinion. In fact, the cycle has changed. It's not the way people expected that it would be. So what you have when Bitcoin, plateaus, like it's, money goes into Bitcoin, then it gets, I described this in one of my videos where I said, it's like water is gathering on the top of a flat, mountain, right? Plateau. And then it gets to a point, when the water gets to a point, it starts falling down the side of this hill. And what happens, it hits the meme coins. And that's why we have the meme coin season, right? And that's beginning to happen. Meme coin season is here. We're seeing what's happening. And again, there's been some delays because of all of the involvements that were never there before. This was just something that people put money into Bitcoin. They waited, they watched it. The graph was the same every 4-year cycle. And it's continued because of the way Bitcoin is designed. It's algorithmic. That's how it behaves. There's the halving, and then 15 to 18 months after, we start seeing all the fireworks. But now you are even seeing, when you look at the charts, you will see that XRP seems to have a different path that is beginning to take. It happened between November and December. And all of the other ones who are ISO 200, are native assets of ISO 222 blockchains are also beginning to behave in that way. So we're going to see, like I had this video where I talked about a slingshot experience. A 16% correction, even if it were a 20% correction, that's huge. But for a 71% explosion in price, or even more than 71%, my math may be off, but I know it's not less than 70. You could even take 65 and then you lose 20%. It's a correction. It happens in crypto. It even happens in the stock market. You know, it happens even in property. Right? Maybe not as much and as frequent and as volatile as these other markets, but that's the reality. So it's important for us to actually have this reality in our minds and prepare for it. Join the channel. Join this channel. If you've been enjoying my content and you really like what I'm doing on here, join the channel. It's $5.11 a month. Join the channel. And if you don't like it, a month, 2 months after, you can just drop off. But you know what? I want us to have a community that we go together. By the way, I want to thank all my subscribers, those who have joined recently, thank you. And those who have become members, thank you. We're at 67 members. We're looking for 70 by the end of today. And hopefully by by the end of the month, we have 7 days to go. I think 6 or 7 days, we can hit 100. But if not, you know what? We keep powering on. But thank you all for becoming a subscriber, those who are subscribers, and for commenting and for liking the videos and even joining my lives. I'm really, really thankful and amazed at all that you guys do to support this channel. Thank you so much. We're seeing WikiCat fly. We're seeing Electronium fly, and a little bit of a dip there today again. But you know what? Things seem to be, heading up for a massive run, and we're going to see, in my opinion, the ISO 222 blockchain native assets rip into their own destiny. And they're not going to, people ask, will they just come right back down? I don't think so, because I don't believe so, because they would not have come to full maturation to do what they've been designed to do. When that happens, you're going to see them attain a certain height. It's like gold. Gold has, gold is sitting there, bam, right? At 22.2 trillion, it doubled in about 2 years. Just like that. And these are commodities. XRP has won that battle for all of the others who are in the ISO family. So yeah, I really believe that we're going to see a massive, jump. A God candle that we've never seen before. I'm expecting that. I'm expecting double digits this year. And anything, when we say double digits, we're looking at anything from 10 to 33. That's personal. That's what I believe would happen. Somebody said by the end of the year would have $12. I think it's going to be more. We'll wait and see. But we're holding on, and we have diamond hands. We're not being shaken out. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one.